Um, we have two bike shits today. We're gonna start off with the Verde Radia 2012. I got dual grips and dual bar ends. I have a Verde bars. I got the Verde front load stand. I got the Verde forks. I got dual tires. Cinema 777 rims with the Cinema hub. I got dual pedals, Verde sprocket, dual pivotal seat, and this is about it. And this is my 2012 Verde Radia, and this is on the hub sound. Now we're gonna go up next with the WeThePeople Crysis 2011.
Alright, so I have Salt Team grips with Salt bar ends, Salt 8-inch rise bars with a Salt Expert stem, a Salt headset, a Salt fork with Salt hubs and Salt rims with pitch raw 2.25 tires, E-clap PC pedals with Salt 3-piece cranks, a Salt Plus 25 tooth sprocket with Salt C-clamp with the WeThePeople pivotal seat, and a rear cassette hub Salt with the Salt rim, and then a pitch flow front back tire 2.10, and that's about it. Let me do the hub sound.